G'day, thanks for watching, and I hope you're well wherever you are in the world right now. The most common thing I'm hearing from Canon shooters at the moment is, I don't shoot videos, so I don't really need the R5. And then, I'm a photographer, but I'd like more megapixels, so the R6 is not really for me. And there's a lot of struggle. Which way do I go? R5, R6? I got the answer. Okay, I'm not going to muck around. I'm not here to take up your time, I'm here to make up your mind. If you don't take video, the R5 is out of the question. Sure, 45 megapixels will be great. Imagine shooting a stitch panorama landscape with 45 megapixel telephoto shots. Oh my gosh. There's not anybody who can say they don't need 45 megapixels, because what's the harm? What's the harm? But if you don't shoot video, the R5 is out, cut it. Turning to the R6, if you're a photographer and you crop, and you probably do, I mean, a lot of photographers crop, then you might need a few more megapixels than 20. It might not cut it for you on the R6. For half the price, you can get half again the number of megapixels. I'm going to tell you how. But the R6 might not necessarily be the camera for you, because sure, it's got the latest processor and it shoots like a machine gun, but people win wars with pistols. Do they? I don't know about that. But I tell you what, in every squadron there's a machine gunner. Sure, he's got a machine gunner, but you see, he won't be using that machine gun all the time. At times he's going to go for the sidearm and take the time shot. That's what you're going to do. I mean, how often do you have your camera in fully automatic continuous mode, just pumping it down range? I mean, unless you are at air shows or you're taking sports photographies. I mean, you're not doing it at a kid's birthday party, rattling off 130 shots in 10 seconds. I mean, what is that? So you don't necessarily need the speed or the processor that comes with the R6. Here's the answer you've been waiting for. You pay half the price as the R6, you pay a third of the price of the R5, you get half again of the megapixels, you're creeping up towards the 45. The answer is, it's not looking forward, it's looking back. It's the EOS R. It's the EOS R. It's the EOS R. It's the EOS R. I'm recording on it right now. Why is it the EOS R? Like I say, it's half the price of the R6, if not even cheaper. You can buy 3 of them for one R5. It's got 30.3 megapixels. It's got the more megapixels. It doesn't have the ridiculous video specs that's going to make it triple the cost for you. You still have fantastic performance with those megapixels. It's a full frame mirrorless camera. It's basically the mirrorless equivalent of the 5D4. If you ask anyone who's shot with the 5D4, what are they going to tell you? They're going to tell you it's fantastic. You've got the dual pixel autofocus, you've got all the modes in there, you've got everything. The video mode, sure, 1080p on a crop in 4K, but who gives up? Otherwise, you would have been buying the R5 if that mattered to you. What matters to you is the megapixels. Because you said, remember, I don't shoot video, but I like more megapixels. This one's for you, it's EOS R. Subscribe if you want to. We're coming out of Wellington, New Zealand, and as always, smash that like button. We'll see you on the next one.